Coming up on today's episode of Airborne-NextGen, North Carolina CAP to field 10 new Teal 2 drones. Altitude Angel launches UK UAV app. And DJI debuts Matrice 350 RTK commercial drone. And I'm your host, Holland Lee. Welcome to the Aero-News Network's Airborne-NextGen program, a weekly news program covering the next generation of flight, from electric power to vertical lift, uncrewed vehicles, and everything in between. Let's get into today's stories. North Carolina CAP to field 10 new Teal 2 drones. The USAF Auxiliary Civil Air Patrol's North Carolina wing has taken delivery of 10 new Teal 2 military-grade drones by which to more effectively carry out its mission of providing emergency assistance to citizens across North Carolina and neighboring states. In a written statement, the CAP NCWG set forth, quote, "The North Carolina wing has been on the cutting edge of the Civil Air Patrol's Small Unmanned Aerial Systems program that culminated in the first locate and save within CAP in August 2021. The program continues to lead the way with the jump-in training and equipment that took place on Saturday, May 6th at the NCWG headquarters," end quote. The NCWG partnered with the North Carolina Division of Emergency Management to receive 10 Teal 2 drones. The drones were purchased by Emergency Management and were given to the NCWG Civil Air Patrol to provide drones and SUAS support across the state when requested. The Teal 2, designed by Teal Drones, a subsidiary of military technology company Red Cat Holdings, is a compact, rugged drone designed to be portable and is powered by a Snapdragon 845 processor. The Teal 2 is the first SUAS to be equipped with Teledyne FLIR's new Hadron 640R sensor. Coming up after the break, DeltaHawk DHK 180 engine earns FAA certification.
Are you ready to ace your FAA drone pilot knowledge test, get your remote pilot certificate, and start earning money? Well, flying a drone is a great tool that can open up new business opportunities for anyone. Realtor, insurance adjuster, videographer, or commercial weekend drone warrior, you need to fly legally. Whether you're pursuing your initial Part 107 remote pilot certificate or you need a renewal, King Schools has a course just for you. So start learning today at kingschools.com.
Throughout the globe, Piper Aircraft has hand-selected the very best in company representation, service, and support. From first inquiry to acquisition to product support, Piper Aircraft ownership is seamless and worry-free. Piper Aircraft authorized dealers, factory trained, factory connected.
Welcome back. Now for some shorter stories in our Next Gen Minute. DeltaHawk DHK 180 engine earns FAA certification. The DeltaHawk DHK 180 has received FAA certification and is on its way to production of the jet-fueled aircraft piston engine. The 180 horsepower DHK 180 is the first of a family of engines, featuring an inverted V engine block, turbocharging and supercharging, mechanical fuel injection, liquid cooling, direct drive, and 40% fewer moving parts than other engines in its category. It is highly responsive and produces more usable torque than traditional aircraft engines in its class, while burning significantly less fuel. Its performance characteristics are extremely well suited to a wide variety of conventional aircraft, as well as those powered by hybrid propulsion systems. Stratolaunch completes separation test of talon-A vehicle. Stratolaunch announced it had successfully completed a separation release test of TA-0, the company's talon-A separation test vehicle. The flight was ROC's 11th and occasioned the second instance in which the company's teams conducted flight operations within Vandenberg Space Force Base's western range. The flight, which lasted a total of 4 hours and 8 minutes, demonstrated the talon-A launch system's capability to cleanly and safely separate hypersonic vehicles from ROC's center wing pylon. The test also confirmed consistent transmission and reception of telemetry between the vehicles and Vandenberg Space Force Base's communication assets. Reliable Robotics conducts autonomous flight demo at Travis AFB. Reliable Robotics announced that during the recent Golden Phoenix readiness exercise at Travis AFB, they demonstrated capabilities by which the USAF stands to contemporaneously up the modernity of its aircraft fleet and better project safe, rapid global mobility. During the demonstration flight, the company's remotely operated aircraft system successfully executed an end-to-end automated mission, including auto taxi, auto takeoff, climb out, and auto landing. An onboard test pilot monitored but took no active part in the undertaking. Embry Riddle team sets amateur liquid rocket world record. 9 undergraduate students representing Embry Riddle's Prescott campus set multiple rocketry records, including that for the highest undergraduate and collegiate amateur liquid rocket launch in the U.S., by launching a rocket dubbed Deneb to an altitude of 47,732 feet, thereby more than doubling the previous record of 22,000 feet. During a total burn time of 26.1 seconds, Deneb, which is named for a first magnitude star in the constellation Cygnus, reached a velocity of 999.3 knots. Well, that was our Next Gen Minute. Now back to the rest of the news. Altitude Angel launches UK UAV app. Altitude Angel has released a new version of the popular UK region UAV flight planning tool Drone Assist, also announcing a number of additional integrations that will see it become a single-stop app for all its drone services. The new version of Drone Assist will provide integrated flight planning, advanced flight path drawing tools, and approval services for complex airspace. The option provides a simple, streamlined way to request access to operate in airspace such as an airport FRZ or land with access restrictions. Flight planning has seen similar streamlining too, with a focus on making the overall Drone Assist app more user-friendly and intuitive for novice pilots. Altitude Angel maintains that they didn't leave the pros out though. They added, quote, several business-critical services for more experienced operators, end quote. Altitude Angel's product is better than ever thanks to the firm's 400-strong tester community. Their feedback brought about better drawing tools for plotting out waypoints and flight lines, with the ability to push the completed plans to Altitude Angel's network for display to airports and light aircraft. Enterprise users will appreciate the fleet management options too, with support to maintain records on pilots, hours flown, and airframe time. And after these messages, DJI debuts Matrice 350 RTK commercial drone.
Skyleader Aircraft offers a lineup of the most powerful, durable, and efficient light sport aircraft in the industry. From trainers to roomy cockpits for long hauls, Skyleader has an aircraft for you. And the best part? They're in your budget. Skyleader's base prices are set low to give you room to customize your aircraft to your needs, desires, and wallet, allowing you to put your money where it matters to you most. Visit flyskyleader.com today to learn about our aircraft, customization options, and chat with the team.
Whether you're charting a steady course or pushing for the ceiling, Hartzell Propeller has been elevating flight for over 100 years. It's in our passion for engineering and research. It's in our dedication to testing the limits of performance and creating propellers that are as safe as they are sexy. Now, together with our dedicated family of companies, we're propelling the future of aviation. We are Hartzell Propeller, built on honor.
Welcome back. DJI debuts Matrice 350 RTK commercial drone. DJI announced the launch of its Matrice 350 RTK, featuring a 55-minute maximum flight time and payload of 5.95 pounds. The M350 RTK affords operators ample time and capacity to undertake demanding missions. The model's new DJI O3 Enterprise Transmission features triple-channel 1080p HD live feeds and a maximum transmission distance of 12.4 miles. The system makes use of a 4-antenna transceiver system capable of determining and defaulting transmission functions to the 2 optimal antennas while receiving signals via all 4 antennas. The M350 RTK is designed to operate nominally in the harsh flight environments characteristic of commercial and rescue operations. The M350 RTK's first-person view camera has been enhanced to provide better navigation for safer night flight operations. The M350 RTK's 6-directional binocular vision system and infrared sensing system affords pilots hexadirectional awareness, positioning, and obstacle sensing capabilities, thereby providing comprehensive in-flight collision protection. The M350 RTK offers users a number of intelligent features such as waypoint, mapping, oblique, linear flight, terrain follow, smart oblique, pinpoint, live mission recording, and AI spot check. To better fulfill commercial and search and rescue missions, the M350 RTK supports a variety of third-party payloads such as gas detectors, loudspeakers, multispectral sensors, and computing modules. And that's our show for today. You can catch episodes of Airborne on YouTube, Roku, or Fire TV. Just search for Aero-News or Airborne, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.